What's up, beautiful people? It's Leo here again. Now in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money online by typing with your laptop or your smartphone, right? So if you can be able to type with your laptop and smartphone and you have a good internet connection, then stay tuned. This video is for you. Now if you are seeing this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo. I create content around online business and how you can make money online and offline. So do it to join this family by smashing that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification after smashing the subscription button. Now I would want you to give this video a thumbs up, and I will surely appreciate. To my returning subscribers, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you very much for always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I want to tell you that I don't take it for granted. And now, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make a whole lot of money online by typing with your laptop or your smartphone, right? Now, with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. Now, guys, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to visit your browser and type www.happyscribe.com. Now, when you come to the site, you're going to see this. It says a transcription and subtitle all in one platform. Now, this site is rated 4.8 based on 850 plus reviews, trusted by 100,000 plus users and team of all sizes. And this site is accredited by BBC, Forbes, Spotify, United Nations, DPA. Right now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the bottom of this site where it says a freelancer. Right over here you can see freelancers, right? So I want you to click here that says transcriber. That's where the magic happens. That's where we'll be making a whole lot of money, right? So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to make this money by typing with your laptop or your smartphone. Let's go, guys. So once you click on the transcriber, it's going to bring you over to this page that says transcription jobs from home. So this means that it is a remote work. You can work anywhere, right? You can work from home. Now it says enjoy the flexibility of working from home. Join a global community of transcribers from United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. Now over here is the price, like the amount they pay their workers, right? They pay per minute 0.90 euro. Then average monthly pay is 450 euro. Then top monthly pay is 3,000 euro, right? Like I said earlier, it's been trusted by over 100,000 users and teams of all sizes. Now it's been accredited by BBC, Forbes, Spotify, United Nations, and DPA. Now, how does this transcriber job works, right? Now, the first thing is this: submit your application, take an assessment test, and complete the questionnaire. We will be in touch as soon as possible. Now, the second thing you need to know is this: select a transcription, right? Show your magic and start working on the file that you selected. Now, the third thing is this: get paid bi-weekly, right? So you are going to be paid by bank transfer in your currency in a bi-weekly basis, right? Now hear from our transcriber, but so we're not going to watch this video. So I'm going to go down to this. They have a community that they created in case you need advice from other transcribers. Maybe you have a problem with the platform, right? Now it says that we have created a fantastic online community to answer questions, help when you need it, and of course share some fun. Now, how do you work from home as a freelance transcriber? Now the first thing is you need to sign up, fill the details, and select the language of your choice. And the second thing is this: skill check. For us to assess transcription skills, you have to proofread the transcript of a sample file. The transcription guidelines are your friend. Make sure to follow them. You'll be allowed to check them during the test, right? Now we will review your application. If you are a good fit, we will reach out to you, right? Now this is basically what the transcriber job is all about, right? Now what is this job about, right? As a self-employed collaborator of HappyScribe, you will have the possibility to access a wide range of audio file uploaded by our customers, right? Now what is the process of becoming a transcriber, right? Now the process to become a transcriber and subtitler at HappyScribe starts by taking an assessment test to evaluate if you have the necessary skill to become a collaborator. Now, can I work from anywhere? It's a very good question. Yes, this is 100% remote freelance position. All you need is your laptop, a good internet connection, and the quiet space to work. Right now, the next one is where do your transcriber come from? Now, our transcriber and subtitlers come from every part of the world: United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. We love our international scribe community. Now, how much will I get paid on an average? A typical transcriber earn around 450 euro per month, where our most active transcribers earn up to 3,000 euro per month, right? So guys, this is basically what this transcribing job is all about. Now I'm going to head over to signing up to show you how this job works. All right, so stick with me. Now let me quickly put you through the registration process. So once you click on apply, it's going to bring you over to this page. Now you're going to click the first box and choose the language you'll be transcribing to, whether French, Spanish, Germany, Dutch, Italian, Polish, Catalan, Swedish, anyone. Just choose the language you'll be transcribing to. Now, then the next thing you're going to do is type in your name, right? Your email address, then choose a password. And after that, you have to check these two box over here and click on sign up. All right, so let's go, guys. Now guys, we just created our account. Now it says welcome to the transcribe application process. The first step is to carefully read our transcription and subtitle guideline and make sure you've integrated all the rules. Once completed, you will proceed to our subtitle test, which will serve to evaluate both your transcription and subtitling skill. To be a collaborator at Happy Scribe, you need to be proficient in both discipline, right? All right, guys, so this is it. So the next thing you have to do is just to find a job, transcribe, and allow them to review your job, and boom, you're just going to get paid. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll surely be bringing you content on how you can be able to make a whole lot of money online. So do well to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe to the channel. All right, and I will surely appreciate. Now see you on my next video.